Unite is hosting a workshop for parents of struggling learners. Hi, I'm Jennifer Henn, and I look forward to teaching at this for children with learning disabilities or just struggles. Your child does not have to have a specific learning disability diagnosis in order to attend this. Everyone is welcome. During our time, I'm going to help you know how to teach math and language arts. I'll also give you tips on using assistive technology and test taking. But most important, what I believe is most important, is that we get together and we share our common struggles. What is this scenario that you keep running into problems with? We're going to have a chance to go over that. Listen, homeschooling is a challenge. And if you have a struggling student, it may seem insurmountable, but it's not. I've been there. I understand. Come learn from me. I want to give you hope and a fresh perspective. We'll be gathering for this workshop April 6th, Saturday morning. Look for all the details that you need in the registration link. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I hope to see you there.